All right, so here we have our mock-up M113. You can see the EGR tube has been removed. The intake's not really bolted down, as you can see. If we come around here, then you'll notice the secondary air ports or valves have been taken out. Our other intake manifold has had the center section taken out, so this is just on here to demonstrate the what the secondary air looks like once it's installed. But the goal on this engine is really just to clean it up. It will be part of an engine swap. You can see the front mount here has been removed, and that's going to be for a custom intake manifold. Our prototype for that is actually being machined right now. I want to move the throttle body to the front of the engine and not have it in the back. I want the block offs to all be built in the manifold itself. All right, so along with that intake manifold, once it's available, we'll have our own custom fuel rails. This is just a machine part that was our first prototype. So let's go take a look at the EGR and secondary air block off kits. All right, so here are the two kits. Secondary air is right there. It'll come with the bolts. We have our own gaskets stamped, and you can see there is a seal that is stamped into the gasket. And then we have the EGR kit made, again, specifically for us. Those are OEM type replacement gaskets. Those are not made by us yet. Availability is the reason for the secondary air. Okay, so let me get this installed and we'll come back and take a look at it. All right, so let's check out these kits now. Here's the EGR. You can see the plate on both the head and the manifold. And if we come around here to the other side, you'll see the secondary air. Now, really the only questions I've received have to deal with whether or not you need an ECU tune. And if you're going to pop open that intake manifold, take out the core, really, or anytime you mess with anything affecting air or fuel, yeah, I would get an ECU tune. I really can't help you with that. I'm going to be using an ECU Masters aftermarket ECU to run this engine, so it'll be a little bit different than your stock setup and situation. But there you have it. You've got the secondary air block offs as well as the EGR kit for the M112 and M113. And please keep an eye out. The intake manifold will be a long project. We just got the prototype on the way, and then it'll probably take another revision or so because I'd like to produce it in a cast aluminum form so it's more cost effective for a wider audience. All right, thanks for watching.